Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to talk about what you can do if the watch history feature on your TikTok account has been deleted or it's missing or anything like that. So TikTok has released the feature. Previously I had it. If I go to profile, and I think I still have it, but users have been reporting that they have this feature taken away from them. So here's the feature right here, watch history. If you're not seeing that feature right there, you can still get it, and I'll show you what to do. So if you tap on that, this will show you your last 7 days worth of history, but you're probably on this video because that feature has now been taken away. So what you need to do is just go back to the home page of TikTok. Then what you want to do is tap on the magnifying glass at the top right hand corner, and then you'll see the search bar. This is the discover page. So what you need to do is just put an asterisk into the search bar right over there like that. Once you've put the asterisk, then you want to tap on the filters option, which is right there. This will allow you to set filters, and there you can see the feature right here, watched videos within the last 7 days. And what you want to do is you want to actually turn that on, and this is just another way of where you can find this new feature if it is missing. They may have taken it away from the settings page and then they've just put it over here. So what you can do is you can just tap on that and toggle it on, and then just tap on apply, and then it should show you your watch history from the last 7 days. So this must be my watch history. So I've got 4 videos or so and everything like that. So you just want to toggle those filters on, and you want to go all time. You can put it by relevance, that's fine. And then you just want to hit apply, and you'll be able to see that history. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.